Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments, and I'm with Uptown 101. Hey, I'm at the Laurel at Preston Hollow, and I'm looking at their beautiful one bedroom. This is actually the smallest one bedroom they have, but it has 1,020 square feet or even higher. It's a big one bedroom, and now we're going to go look at the bedroom and the bath. So I'm walking into the bedroom. It's very big. Plenty of space here. You can easily put a king in here, no problem. You've got a lot of space to work with. You have some really good lighting there, some good windows that are over there. Those are very, very nice. And then look, you've got a great bath here too. Dual sink bath, huge mirror that's here. And then you've got a wonderful combination tub and shower, and the shower does have a bench in there, so you can really relax in here in this beautiful apartment. You also have a very large closet, and this has alpha type shelving. Wow, tons of shelving in here. Shelving, that's so funny, shelving. And really pretty. You've got these pull-out shelves, just so much storage. So it's a beautiful closet, lots of space in here. This is a great apartment. A lot of times apartments are more like, I don't know, they're 750 square feet or something like that. They're just not enough space, but this is a magnificent, large one bedroom that you'll feel right at home with. It'll fit everything. Hey, if you're ready to take that tour, what I would suggest is let's take that virtual tour I mentioned in the previous video. Let's do a virtual tour. That would be where someone here on the Laurel staff would walk with you personally on your phone or computer and just say, hey, this is what's available, show off stuff to you, and give you, a feel of what it's like to work with the Laurel. But it's all from your phone. It's no commitment. It's just an easy way to tour. I'd recommend to do that. The easiest way to do that is to use my number below. Text me. Just put my number on your phone, text me, and just say, hey, Grant, I like what I'm seeing. Can you set up a virtual tour for me? I can do that as early as even tomorrow, maybe even today if it's early in the day. So I'd be happy to do that. It's just a part of my 100% free service to take good care of you. So send in a text. I look forward to hearing from you soon.